What's going on, you guys? In this video in particular, I'm going to be unboxing the Logitech G440 mouse pad. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, so for some context, I've been on the hunt for a mouse pad. You would think it would be very simple to find a mouse pad. Just a standard mouse pad, buy it, you're good to go. Well, no. For some reason, I just am super picky, and if you don't like something, you shouldn't keep it, you should return it. So just a rule of thumb for you guys. So the first mouse pad I bought was a Logitech cloth mouse pad. Make sure to check that out right here. And the second mouse pad I bought is the Logitech G440 mouse pad. Yeah, it ends up being this massive mouse pad. Look at this. This is huge. Like, why would anyone need this big of a mouse pad? And also, they don't mention the size on Amazon as to how big this mouse pad is. So of course, me over here was thinking and assuming that this would just be a normal standard size mouse pad. Here's how big my old mouse pad is, and this is how big the new mouse pad is. Look how big this thing is. Do I want it this big? I don't think so. I'm actually thinking I'm probably going to return this mouse pad, but I still want to show you guys what this mouse pad is all about and whether or not it may be good for you guys. So without further ado, let's get to testing it. Alright guys, so as you can see right here, we have the Logitech G440 hard gaming mouse pad for high DPI gaming. So this is around $15. Right now it's on sale for 25% off. It is actually a really nice, smooth, hard surface. So you don't have to worry about your mouse kind of getting a lot of friction and stopping. It's going to slide across the mouse pad pretty easily, as you can see here. I was trying to go with a branded mouse pad that matches with my mouse just naturally, but I don't know if that's going to work out because I can't seem to find a mouse pad from Logitech that is this size and a hard shell. Logitech, if you are watching this video, please send one my way and I would love to review it and also just use it in my everyday setup. Because right now I can't seem to find something that's not this big and is just a normal hard mouse pad to use for your daily use with just working. So with this mouse pad, as you can see here, here's two of my hands. It is massive. This is how big my original mouse pad is. And look at the size comparison, and this is just a standard mouse pad size. So for you guys to gauge how big this mouse pad is, it's massive. Okay, now in terms of the quality, it feels great. It's got this nice bright blue color on the back. I actually did not even mean to do this on purpose, but I'm matching with this mouse pad, which is kind of ironic, but we're here for it. And so yeah, overall quality, I would say it's actually really good. It's super thin. This is how thin it is, if you guys can see right there. Super thin, and it can just lay wherever you want. My desk is not big enough to put this on here and then also have a keyboard right next to it. So here's the problem. I have my keyboard right here, and then I have my mouse pad way over here. Well, this mouse pad takes up so much space, it's almost taking up over, it's probably taking about 3/4 of my keyboard. So how am I supposed to like use my mouse pad and my keyboard without it like getting in the way of anything? So with that kind of in mind, I'm probably not going to keep this mouse pad. Is it good quality? Yes, it's great quality. It feels great. If you like a big mouse pad, this is definitely the one to get. I would highly recommend it. It feels great. The mouse slides over it very easily. It's not uncomfortable to use at all. It feels like quality. It's super thin, and it's only $15. So for a mouse pad, that may be a little expensive just because mouse pads probably shouldn't cost that much, but it's also a Logitech mouse pad, so just keep that in mind with the branding if you are looking for a Logitech mouse pad. So with all that being said, if you guys are in the market for a new hard gaming mouse pad from Logitech, the G440 may be the mouse pad for you guys. I'm personally not going to keep it just because of how massive this thing is. I did the purchase for you guys just so you're aware of how big this mouse pad actually is if you are in the market for a mouse pad. And if you guys are interested in this, I'll have a link to it in the description below. Alright, so if you guys did find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And if you could subscribe, I would greatly appreciate the support. But without further ado, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. And I hope to see you guys in future videos. Thanks.